How to Start a Nurse Registry, brought to you by Superb Care Inc., Florida's #1 home care consulting firm. Nurse registries provide services for individuals in their homes or in residential communities. A nurse registry can offer both staffing and home care services. They hire contractors who are licensed practical nurses, home health aides, companions, and registered nurses. Nurse registries give many alternative solutions to growing businesses to a home health license. When you operate a nurse registry, you can build the state Medicaid managed care, long-term care program, private insurance, and direct pay, but you cannot bill Medicare. A nurse registry offers direct care services to aid the elderly and individuals who have an illness or disability and help them remain in their homes to rehabilitate and recover. Companionship and homemaker services can be included, as well as other services that can help keep the client's home clean and minimize social isolation. So here's some of the things that you need as an owner operator to establish a nurse registry in the state of Florida. I get this question all the time. Can you operate a nurse registry at a residence, a primary residence? And the answer is yes, depending on if the zoning in your city or your municipality approves your home to be licensed. So you will have to obtain the zoning from the jurisdiction, the county, or the municipality where the home will be licensed. But I always recommend that individuals get a small office space to run their administrative office for the nurse registry. You have to obtain your LLC or your incorporation with the Florida State Sunbiz in Florida. You have to obtain your EIN, your tax identification number on irs.gov. Again, we talked about the office space. You would need the equipment in the office, like a desk, file cabinet, chairs, maybe at least 2 visitors' chairs. If you're starting out small, if you're already an existing medical professional or healthcare provider, then you can use your existing office space. You would also need to obtain ACA PFA. PFA is the proof of financial ability to operate in the state of Florida. That is a spreadsheet that needs to be prepared by a licensed certified public accountant who is very, very, very familiar with the process. So please do not just sign up with your current CPA if your CPA has never done a financial proof of ability on any other ACA licensing, especially nurse registry, if that's what you're applying for. You need to have the licensing application fee to ACA. At the time of this video, that licensing application fee for a nurse registry is $2,000. Any additional fees to the agency, local government, city, or any other jurisdiction has to be paid directly to that municipality. And then you need to start working on contracting your staff and your operators to run your business. So what do we offer? Superb Care Inc. will do the following in your process. We're like we're with you to the beginning, from the beginning to the end type of process. We help you with the completion of your ACA application. We help you with the completion of the ACA addendum, completion of the supplemental documents that relate to the application. We help you with the ongoing consultation throughout the licensing process. So from the time you contact us, the time you sign your contract, to the time that you are licensed, we're there. We help you develop compliant policies and procedures, standard and related to the license type. And we also design and customize your patient forms and your staff forms to proficiently run and operate your nurse registry. Superb Care Inc. will also help you with compliant admissions package, required forms, required documents for submissions to third-party parties, background portal registration, organized operational binder will be provided to you in digital format. And then we will design and submit your comprehensive emergency management plans to the counties that you plan to operate your nurse registry in. So note, the applicant is responsible for contacting zoning. I suggest that you contact the zoning before you reach out to Superb Care, so that you'll know that you are properly zoned if you plan to operate a nurse registry in your home. Okay, most office spaces are going to be zoned because they're already office business district zones. You will have to contact to see if any fire, health department obligations need to be met. I know that most office spaces you have to have a fire inspection with a um, distinguisher present in your office, and you need to check with all other applicable local government agencies regarding the requirements for your business location, like your business tax receipt. It needs to be obtained. These local government agencies will require the signature of the applicant to sign off on documents. And for this reason, any representative from Superb Care Inc. cannot obtain those documents for you, but we will guide you in the direction to where you need to go. So it is best to already come to any consulting firm with those documents already in place. If you need guidance, we're here to do that. If you need assistance, we're here to do that as well. And we will guide you in the direction that you need to go. So, if you are interested in starting a Florida nurse registry, Superb Care Inc. is the firm for you. I am the owner. My name is Stephanie. I have ran and operated a nurse registry and a home health care agency as well for over the past 17 years. So I'm personally well versed in the ins and outs of starting and operating a nurse registry and home health. There will be other videos that will be posted on this channel that give you some more insight on how to start a home health care agency. So, nurse registry is the way to go if you're looking to provide that personal care and maybe upgrade from homemaker and companion, but you're not quite ready to begin working in the skill side of home health. So if you need help and you're ready to begin, reach out to Superb Care Inc. Our website is superbcareinchcs.com. Go to the contact us section, submit your inquiry by web, or you can just give us a call at 954-789-2372. We look forward to working with you.